Hey, it's me. Just a quick little DIY. I had to do some touch-ups. We laid vinyl laminate floor like 3-4 years ago, and it's great, but we are very much beginner DIYs, and so there was a lot of cracks and crevices. So I found this stuff to patch it up. So I'm going to try patching up some cracks and, you know, like the little separations between the little thingies, and some without, so you can see which is which. And we'll see how it looks. Okay, so follow along. Okay, it's me. See this gap right here? Can you see it? See it, see it, see it right there? I know, no one else sees it. I see it. So when we did these floors, I thought we had them all, but they're floating and things settle over years. So I found this stuff, which I'll put a picture in, because I took a picture and I'll put it like here or somewhere. But I'm gonna try filling in this and see if it makes it look good. The instruction says you gotta like knead it. So here I am kneading it, kneading it, kneading it, kneading it, kneading it, kneading it, kneading it. Okay, and then you just maybe, there it goes. You're supposed to go like this. Dang, that's hard to squeeze. Okay, and then like that. Okay, and then okay, so I did this section here. And you really can't see it. But anyways, I left that section bare. So we're going to let it dry and come back and see how much better it looks. Okay, be back. Bye. Okay, so I'm back and it's set up. So you see there to there. And then I also went and did a couple more. So see, like right there, you can still see the haze. I'm gonna have to wash the haze off. But see, I mean, it, maybe no one else in the real world will notice it, but when I look at that, it looks DIY. That looks more professional, doesn't it, other than the haze? Okay.